In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to place the tool correctly, understand what each key level means, and customize it so it works the way you trade. Start by opening TradingView and loading the chart you want to analyze. Any market and time frame will do. On the left-hand toolbar, select the Fib Retracement tool. It sits with the other drawing tools and looks like a set of horizontal bars. With the tool selected, apply it to your chart by anchoring it to a clear price move. For an uptrend, click once at the swing low and then at the swing high so the levels project downward into the pullback. For a downtrend, click first at the swing high and then at the swing low so the levels project upward into the bounce. That 2-point placement draws your retracement grid automatically. You'll see several horizontal lines. Here's how to read the most watched ones. The 38.2% and 50% zones are considered shallow retracements. In a strong trend, price often reacts there before continuing. The 61.8% level is the golden ratio and frequently behaves as strong support or resistance, especially when it aligns with prior structure. The 78.6% level marks a deep pullback. If price holds here, the trend can resume, but if it fails decisively, it often hints at a potential reversal. These levels are not guarantees. Think of them as areas to watch for confirmation from price action, momentum, or volume. To fine-tune your drawing, click the Settings gear on the Fibonacci object. In the Style tab, you can toggle which levels are visible, switch on labels to show prices or percentages, adjust line thickness and colors, and control background shading. Many traders highlight the 61.8% level or reduce background opacity to keep the chart clean. You can also display the 0 and 1 anchors so you always see the full range you measured. Move to the Coordinates tab if you want exact placement. Here you can type in precise price and time values for the 2 anchor points, which is helpful when you want the tool to align perfectly with a candle's high or low. Finally, in the Visibility tab, choose where the drawing appears across time frames. Keeping it visible only on the time frames you analyze prevents clutter when you zoom in or out. That's it. Open TradingView, place the Fibonacci retracement on a clear swing, interpret the key levels, and customize settings to match your workflow. Use these zones as context alongside market structure and risk management to make more informed decisions.